हेलो, राम राम साथियों। आज हम जनवरी 2026 महीने के साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी के करंट अफेयर्स देखेंगे। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें। ये मैं यूपीएससी और आरपीएससी आरएस एग्ज़ाम 2026 के लिए पर्टिकुलरली ये वीडियो बना रहा हूँ। अगर आपको ये वीडियो प्लीज़ पसंद आए तो लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें। चलो शुरू करते हैं। आरएस एग्ज़ाम में 14 क्वेश्चन आएंगे 5-5 नंबर के मेंस में, और प्री में भी ऑलमोस्ट 14 क्वेश्चन आएंगे, तो प्लीज़ फोकस कीजिएगा। चलो शुरू करते हैं। साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी फर्स्ट है स्क्रैमजेट इंजन। वाई इन द न्यूज DRDO डिफेंस रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट लेबोरेटरी DRDL सक्सेसफुली ग्राउंड टेस्टेड अ full scale actively cooled long duration scramjet engine. More on news. It serves as a foundational success for the indigenous hypersonic missile development program. India is the fourth country to demonstrate the flight testing of a scramjet engine after the US, Russia, and China. About scramjet supersonic combustion ramjet engine. Scramjet engine, it is an improvement over the ramjet engine as it efficiently operates at hypersonic speeds greater than Mach 5 and allows supersonic combustion. A ramjet is an air breathing jet engine that uses the vehicle's forward motion to compress income air for combustion without a rotating compressor. Fuel used. It generally uses hydrogen as fuel and the oxygen from the atmospheric air as the oxidizer. Comparing ramjet and scramjet engine features. Ramjet engine slowed air fuel injection, Mach 3 to 6 सबसोनिक कंबसन। अब बात करते हैं स्क्रैमजेट इंजन के। स्क्रैम फास्ट मूविंग एयर इंजेक्शन अबव Mach 6 सुपरसोनिक कंबसन। फंक्शनिंग ऑफ स्क्रैमजेट हाइपरसोनिक एयर स्ट्रीम, शॉक वेव, स्ट्रूट, हाइड्रोजन फ्यूल, सुपरसोनिक कंबसन, हाइड्रोजन फ्यूल, हाइपरसोनिक एग्जॉस्ट गैस। Key features depends on assisted takeoff. Both ramjets and scramjets cannot produce thrust at zero air speed. Requires another propulsion system like a rocket or turbojet or reach a high enough speed to function. Usage flame stabilization technique. This holds a continuous flame inside the combustor with an air speed in excess of 1.5 kilometer per second. No moving parts. Engine doesn't use a mechanical compressor or turbine. Increased efficiency. It is a more efficient propulsion system than a rocket. A rocket engine carries both fuel and oxidizer. About hypersonic weapons, these are capable of speeds exceeding Mach 5, offering rapid global reach and high evasion capabilities against air defense systems. Fly at lower altitudes than ballistic missiles and are highly maneuverable, maneuverable, making them harder to track. Types: hypersonic glide vehicles, HGV, a maneuvering weapon system that glides through the upper atmosphere at speeds exceeding Mach 5 over 6,100 km per hour after being boosted by a rocket. Hypersonic cruise missile HCM can be fired from aircraft much like other cruise missiles before accelerating to hypersonic speeds. Cruise missiles are self propelled and precision guided weapons. It maintains sustained and controlled flight to strike targets accurately. News in shorts. Next news, ISRO's PSLV C-62 IOS Earth Observation Satellite N1 mission encountered anomaly during third stage. The launch marked the 64th flight of Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle PSLV and a ninth dedicated commercial mission undertaken by New Space India Limited NSIL. NSIL New Space India Limited incorporated in 2019 is a wholly owned government company under administrative control of Department of Space and is the commercial arm of Indian Space Research Organization ISRO. About PSLV C-62 Earth Observation Satellite N1 mission. It includes the launch of Earth Observation Satellite N1 Earth Observation Satellite along with 15 co-passenger satellites from domestic and international customers. Earth observation satellite N1 is designed to strengthen space-based monitoring capabilities. It will also demonstrate KID or Kestrel Initial Technology Demonstrator from a Spanish startup. KID, Kernel Initial Technology Development is a small scale prototype. KID is a small scale prototype of a re-entry vehicle which after launch is slated to re-enter the Earth's atmosphere towards splash down in South Pacific Ocean. Earth observation satellite N1 and 14 co-passenger satellites will be injected into a sun synchronous orbit and KID capsule into a entry trajectory. About PSLV, third generation launch vehicle and is the first Indian launch vehicle to be equipped with liquid stages. Work workhorse of ISRO consistently delivered satellites to low Earth orbits can take up to 1,750 kg of payload to sun synchronous polar orbits of 600 kilometer altitude. Stages in PSLV. First stage uses the S-139 solid rocket motor augmented by six solid strap-on boosters. Second stage uses Earth storable liquid rocket engine known as Vikas engine developed by Liquid Propulsion System Center. Third stage solid rocket motor that provides high thrust to upper stages. Fourth stage uppermost stage of PSLV comprising of two Earth storable liquid engines. Notable missions Chandrayaan first Mars orbiter mission Aditya L1 and AstroSat mission PSLV set a world record by launching 104 satellites in a single mission in 2017. Next, India's first private Earth observation EO satellite constellation. Pixel Lead Consortium has signed an agreement with InSpace to design, build, and operate India's first national Earth observation constellation. Pixel Lead Consortium comprises peer site space st- Set Sure Analytics India and Dhruva Space National Indian National Space Promotion and Authorization Center in Space is India's nodal agency that authorizes regulates and promotes private sector participation in space initiative. Key features of the Earth Observation Constellation Project (PPP) model. It will be executed under the Public-Private Partnership (PPP) framework. The project will create a complete end-to-end Earth observation ecosystem, from satellite development to satellite deployment to value-added geospatial analytics. Constellation, it will consist of 12 satellites covering very high resolution optical, multi-spectral, synthetic aperture radar (SAR) and hyperspectral imaging. Project scale 12 100 crore rupees investment over a 5-year period. Strategic shift, transition from government built to industry operated national Earth observation infrastructure. Earth observation satellite, Indian satellites, HISIS, Cartosat 3, Resat 2B, EOS 07. Sensors, Earth observation satellite. Sensors, optical, multispectral, hyperspectral, and radar sensors. Applications, agriculture, disaster management, climate change, urban planning, water management, national security. Strategic value, early warning systems, evidence-based policy making, self-reliance. Constellation, it will consist of 12 satellites covering very high resolution optical, multi-spectral, synthetic aperture radar (SAR) and hyperspectral imaging. Project scale 1200 crore rupees investment over a 5-year period. Strategic shift, transition from government built to industry operated national Earth observation infrastructure. Dark matter, based on observations from James Webb Space Telescope. Astronomers unveil a detailed map of dark matter. Dark matter. It is a hypothesis from of a form of matter that is invisible but is inferred to exist based on its gravitational effects on ordinary matter like stars, planets, moons, etc. It does not emit, absorb, or reflect light and barely interacts with normal matter. Composition of a universe: normal or visible matter 5%, dark matter 27%, and dark energy 68%. Unveiling the universe's history with JWST launch year, launched in 2021. Star and planetary system formation, investigating star and planet system creation. First, luminous objects, observing earliest light after the Big Bang. Location: orbits Sun at L2 Lagrange point. Solar system evaluation, analyze our solar system's historical changes. Galaxy formation, studying how galaxies formed and evolved. Next topic, fourth industrial revolution, WEF, fourth industrial revolution. WEF announced five new fourth industrial revolution IR 4.0. Centers globally. One of the center will be built in Andhra Pradesh, India. It will be third such center in India after Mumbai and Telangana. What is the fourth industrial revolution? The term was coined by Collis Schwab, founder of the World Economic Forum (WEF) in 2016. IR 4.0, Industrial Revolution 4.0, describes the current era in which digital, physical, and biological technologies coverage such as AI, robotics, the Internet of Things (IoT), quantum computing, etc. Unlike earlier revolutions, Industrial Revolution 4.0 is blurring boundaries between physical, digital, and biological systems. Significance of fourth industrial revolution: economic growth enhances productivity and improves supply chain resilience through automation, data analytics, and smart manufacturing. Inclusive development potential offers developing countries like India an opportunity to reap develop offers developing countries like India and opportunity to leapfrog legacy technologies and expand digital access. Environmental sustainability supports low carbon and resource efficient growth through smart grids, precision agriculture, and circular economy practices. For example, lighthouse factories have demonstrated significant reductions in carbon dioxide, CO2 emissions, and water usage through predictive analytics and Internet of Things. Human capital centrality shifts the focus from physical labor to skills, innovation, and lifelong learning. Stages of industrial revolution. First stage: mechanization, water power, steam power. Second, mass production, assembly line, electricity. Third, computer and automation. Fourth, cyber physical system. Challenges and risks: the technology gap. There is a risk of widening inequality between developed and developing nations. For example, 10 front runner economies account for 91% of global patent applications in advanced digital production technologies. Workforce disruption: almost 40% of global employment is exposed to AI. IMF, security and cyber resilience. As industrial sites become more connected, they become vulnerable to cyber attacks, espionage, and disruption of critical infrastructure. Environmental effect. Environmental effects: the increased use of sensors, data centers, and connected devices consumes energy and scarce resources. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है बैटरी पैक आधार नंबर BPAN बैटरी पैक आधार नंबर गवर्नमेंट रिलीजेज ड्राफ्ट गाइडलाइंस फॉर बैटरी पैक आधार सिस्टम about battery pack Aadhaar system. It is an indigenous digital identification and data storage system developed to ensure end-to-end traceability of batteries throughout their entire life cycle. It includes a unique identification number for each battery pack, capturing and storing vital information from extraction to final disposal. Battery categories that are required to maintain a battery pack Aadhaar as an electronic record include electric vehicle batteries and industrial batteries with a capacity greater than 2 kilowatt. Significance: enabling second life usage, regulatory compliance, and efficient recycling. Next topic है vehicle to vehicle V2V communicating technology. Union Road Transport and Highways Minister announced that India will roll out vehicle to vehicle V2V communication technology. About V2V communication technology: it is an inter-vehicle communication paradigm that it does not rely on third-party networks like cellular networks to communicate. Significance: increased safety as it works across the front, rear, and sides of vehicles and will factor in terrain and road curves. Strengthen advanced driver assistance systems ADAS by allowing vehicles to share warning even when a hazard is not visible. Next, MPEMBA. MP, MPE MBA effect. Indian scientists developed a first supercomputer powered simulation to capture impa- map, Mapemba effect. About Mapemba effect, it is a long existing paradox suggesting that hotter substances can freeze faster than colder substances under certain conditions, most famously observed with water, but the effect is not limited to water and shows up in other materials and physical systems too. Significance: heat engines and refrig- refre- refre- refriger- refrigeration systems, quantum computing, materials science, etc. Next topic है निपा वायरस. As per next Nipah virus, as per National Center for Disease Control (NCDC), only 2 confirmed cases of Nipah virus disease have been reported from West Bengal from December last year till date. About Nipah virus nature: zoonotic virus is spread from animal to humans. Natural reservoir: fruit bats, also known as flying foxes. Transmission: animal to human, direct contact with infected bats or pigs, or consumption of raw date, palm sap, or fruit contaminated by bats. Human to human, close contact with body fluids of infected persons. First identified 1999, outbreak in Malaysia and Singapore, from bats to pigs to humans. Incubation period 4 to 14 days. Earlier symptoms: fever, headache, cough, sore throat, and difficulty in breathing. Next topic है स्टेफिलो स्टेफिलोकोकी स्टेफिलोकोकी. Researchers found high levels of antibiotic resistance staphylococci in both the indoor and outdoor environment in parts of Delhi. About staphylococcus, they are gram positive cocci, spherical shaped bacterium that occur in groups in clusters. It was first observed in humans by von Recklinghausen. They showed tolerance to penicillin and resistance to all clinical useful antibiotics like erythromycin, tetracycline, aminoglycosides types, Staphylococcus aureus, and Staphylococcus epidermidis. दैट्स ऑल इन दिस वीडियो. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें. ये जनवरी मंथ के करंट अफेयर्स थे साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी के.